Good morning, everyone. So, how are you all? So, we are back after a week. So, today we are going to start with a grammar chapter and the new chapter, and it is for class second, and it is from your book PC Rin's Grammar book. Fine. So, and the name of the subject is English Grammar. So, today we are going to start the new chapter of class second, and the name of the subject is English Grammar, and the name of the chapter is Words. Chapter number 20, Words. It's very interesting and very easy. You all might have done in class 1 also. आपने class 1 में भी पढ़ा होगा words, opposites, है ना, एंड प्रोफेशंस, जो लोग काम करते हैं. आपने पढ़ा होगा आपकी मम्मा अगर स्कूल जाती है तो वो क्या है, टीचर. तो टीचर क्या है, उनका प्रोफेशन. डॉक्टर क्या करते हैं, डॉक्टर पेशेंट को ट्रीट करते हैं, है ना, तो उनका प्रोफेशन क्या है, वो क्या है, डॉक्टर. फाइन. So today we are going to learn about all these and we will also learn about the compound words. Compound word क्या होते हैं, जब दो मीनिंगफुल वर्ड्स को लेके जब एक मीनिंगफुल वर्ड बनता है तो उसे हम कंपाउंड वर्ड्स बोलते हैं. सो वी विल स्टडी अबाउट दैट. सो दिस इज द लेक्चर नंबर 1 ऑफ chapter number 20, lecture number 1. Fine. And the topics which we are going to cover in this lecture is, I will giving you the explanation of compound words, opposites, and people and their jobs. This we will do in the next lecture. Then we will discuss the book exercise from 1st to 4th. So let us start with the compound words. What are compound words? As I told you, that compound words are the formed when two or more words are put together to form a new words with a new meaning. When there are two words and they are put together, like lip plus stick. You all know what you mean by lip. You all have lips. Lip plus stick, it becomes lipstick. So lipstick is a meaningful word. Fine, it has meaning. So what are compound words? क्या होता है बच्चा, कंपाउंड वर्ड्स जब हम दो शब्दों को जोड़ते हैं और एक शब्द बनता है और उस शब्द का भी कोई अर्थ होना चाहिए, उसका कोई मीनिंग होना चाहिए. दोज आर नोन एज कंपाउंड वर्ड्स. अगर आपके एग्जाम में क्वेश्चन आएगा कि मेक कंपाउंड वर्ड्स ऑफ द वर्ड्स गिवन बिलो, सो यू नीड टू जॉइन दोज टू वर्ड्स and make one meaningful word. So again I am reading. What are compound words? Compound words are formed when two or more words are put together to form a new word with a new meaning. Fine. Now let us move on to the examples. Now look over here in this picture. This is rainbow. It is formed by two words, rain, बारिश, bow. Bow and arrow होता है तीर कमान. तीर कमान, कमान को हम बो बोलते हैं, तो इट इज बिकमिंग रेनबो. तो क्या बना इससे, रेनबो, अ मीनिंगफुल वर्ड. पॉप, पॉप मीन्स उछलता हुआ. कॉर्न, कॉर्न होते हैं भुट्टे, तो इट इज बिकमिंग पॉपकॉर्न. क्या बना इससे, पॉपकॉर्न. नेक्स्ट इज कप. कप होता है जिसमें चाय पीते हैं. केक हम खाते हैं, इट इज कप केक. देन इट इज बैक. बैक होती है हमारी पीठ. पैक, पैक मीन्स सामान को पैक कर लो. सो द न्यू वर्ड इज बैकपैक. सो इट्स वेरी इजी ना, एंड वेरी easy, very interesting also. So you just have to join two words to make a meaningful word. Let us see few more examples. As I told you, lip plus stick, it is lipstick. Mail, mail करते हो ना आप, में कोई email करते हो homework, plus box, mail box. Fish plus bowl, fish bowl. Butter plus fly, butterfly. Basket plus ball, basketball. Tooth plus brush, toothbrush. It's very easy, na? So these are all compound words. Let us see few more compound words. Straw, straw plus berry, strawberry. Hot plus dog, hot dog. Rain plus bow, rainbow. Bag plus pack, backpack. This we have already done. Cup plus cake, cupcake. Air plus plane, airplane. It can be airplane, it can be aeroplane also, but over here it is becoming airplane. यहाँ पे क्या बन रहा है, airplane. Fine. Next is base plus ball, baseball. Bird plus house, bird house. Tooth plus brush, toothbrush. Pop plus corn, popcorn. Now, not a compound word. अब देखो ये compound words नहीं है. These are single words. Star, hat, pencil, gum, fox, jam, lock, truck, six, jar, snake. These are not compound words. These are only words. ये क्या है? सिर्फ words हैं. ये compound words नहीं है. So what are compound words? When we join two words to form a one meaningful word, that is known as compound words. Let us see few more examples. And these are the examples from your book. It is given in your book only. Fine. So you can check from there. Let me tell you the page number also. It is of chapter number 20, page number 88. Sorry, it is given in, yes, page number 88 in your book, chapter number 20. So two words can be joined to make a new word. Next, let us go with the examples. Black plus board, blackboard. Class plus room, classroom. Dust plus bin, dustbin. Play plus ground, playground. Bed plus room, bedroom. Jelly plus fish, jellyfish. Herd plus band, headband. Head plus band, headband. Milk plus shake, milkshake. Hand plus shake, handshake. Cup plus board, cupboard. Stop plus berry, strawberry. These you don't have to learn. इसको learn नहीं करना, आपको cram नहीं करना, रटना नहीं है. Just आपको दो words दिए जाएंगे, उनको join करके आपको compound word बनाना है. Simple. Now this is the exercise number 1 in your book given on page number 89. Fine, this you can do it with the pencil in your book. I will not give you the answers as this is very easy. मैं आपको इसके answers नहीं दूंगी. आपको अपने आप करना है. It's very easy. Join the words shown in the picture to make new words. One has been done for you. Doll plus house, doll house. Rain plus bow, rainbow. This is the bow. Sun plus flower, sunflower. Girl plus sparrow. Or it will be girl plus bird, girl bird. No, it will be what it will be. Let us think. Or you leave this, I will tell you. Butter, this is butter plus fly, butterfly. Tooth plus brush, this is brush, tooth, toothbrush. Fine. So this you have to do it with the pencil in your book only. You have to do it with your pencil. Do with the help of pencil in your book only. This one I will tell you. Now let us proceed to the exercise number 2. Now again you have to frame the compound words and match the columns. See here. Snow plus, can you see the picture over here? Snowman. Match with snowman. Star plus fish. Starfish. Foot plus, where it is? Foot, ball. Football. Tea plus pot. Teapot. Bath plus, what it will be? Bathroom. Lady plus bug. Ladybug. Fine. Next is paint plus brush. Paintbrush. The last is cup plus cake. Cupcake. Very easy, na? Let us move forward then. Now these are next. This is given on page number 9090. Fine. What are these? Let us start. A word that expresses a meaning. एक शब्द जो meaning बताता है opposed to the meaning of the another word. Oppose means उसका opposite. Oppose means उसका opposite. A word that tells the opposite of the another words means the word, एक word है girl, ठीक है, अब उसका उल्टा बता रहा है. विलोम पढ़ते हो ना आप हिंदी में, विलोम शब्द जो किसी शब्द का उल्टा बताता है, opposite of that, those are called opposites. So a word that expresses a meaning opposed to the meaning of another word, in which case the two words are antonyms of each other. मैंने आपको बताया था एंटोनिम्स सिनोनिम्स क्या होते हैं. एंटोनिम्स होते हैं ऑपोजिट और सिनोनिम्स होते हैं सिमिलर वर्ड्स. Synonyms होते हैं similar words, antonyms होते हैं opposites. So today we are going to learn in this lecture opposites also. We have done with the compound words. Now these are opposites. So draw a line to match each word to its opposite. You all have learned opposite. आपने learn किए होंगे ना. अब जो भी इस lecture में opposites हैं और compound words हैं, you have to write it in your English fair notebook. Near, near क्या होता है? Pass. Near, pass का क्या होगा? दूर. Far, near, far. Heavy, भारी. हल्का, light. Heavy, light. Left, right. Left, right. Hot, cold. गरम, ठंडा. Good, अच्छा. Bad, बेकार. Full, भरा हुआ. Empty, खाली. Front, सामने. Back, पीछे. Curly, curly hair होते हैं ना. Straight. Fine, these are very easy. These are the opposites. Once again, let us revise. Near, far. Heavy, light. Left, right. Hot, cold. Good, bad. Full, empty. Front, back. Curly, straight. Let us learn few more opposites. Opposite words for kids. This I told you, full. Now look, there are strawberries over here, cherries over here, and the basket is full, भरी हुई. खाली, empty. Old, young. Old lady, बूढ़ी. Young, जवान. Fast, जल्दी 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 जल्दी. Slow, धीरे धीरे. Light, dark. Light, जब light आ जाती है, the meaning of light. Light एक हल्का भी होता है. एक light का meaning होता है रोशनी. Dark, अंधेरा. Awful, excellent. Awful means when we feel very sad. Excellent, खुश बिल्कुल. I have done an excellent job. Awful means bad. Closed, band. Open, open. So these also you have to write it in your English fair notebook. Let us learn few more opposites. Hot, cold, hot, cold. Cold is ice cream, hot is coffee. Day, night, on, under. In, out, in, inside, out, outside. Dry, सूखा, wet, गीला. Before, after. Before means पहले, after means बाद में. Black, black color, white. Sad, दुखी, happy. Small, big. Clean, dirty. These opposites also you have to do it in your English fair notebook. Let us do one more worksheet of opposites. Draw a line to match each word to its opposites. You have to learn all these opposites which I am making you study in this lecture, which I am making you revise in this lecture. You have to learn all these opposites. Happy, खुश, sad, उदास. Old, young, अभी पढ़ा था हमने. Dry, wet. Hot, cold, day, night, right, left. Bad, bad, it will be bad, bad, good. Light, dark or heavy, heavy. Fine. So you can do this exercise in your notebook. Now this is the opposites exercise which is given in your book on page number 9090. Fine. This you have to do it in your book with pencil. Look at the following pictures and read the words. Small, big. Small fish, big fish. Slow. Tortoise walks slow. Rabbit runs fast. Happy, joker. Sad. Tall, short. Now look over here, there are more opposites. Thin, patla. Mota, fat. Young, jawan. Old, booda. Now the above pair of words are opposite in the meaning to each other. Means आपस में जब दोनों एक दूसरे के opposite में होते हैं, they are the opposites of each other. So they are known as opposites or antonyms. और हम इनका second name क्या है opposites का? Antonyms. Next is, this is the book exercise which is given in your book on page number 9191. Match the column. This is big with small. हार्ड, हार्ड होता है बहुत हार्ड, पत्थर बहुत हार्ड होता है, और जो कॉटन होती है बहुत सॉफ्ट होती है। अप ऊपर, डाउन नीचे, फुल भरा हुआ, एम्प्टी खाली, हॉट कोल्ड, आइसक्रीम कोल्ड, हैप्पी सैड। I hope you all have understood the opposites and the compound words. This you have to do it in your notebook. और जो भी मैंने यहाँ पे आपको compound words बताए हैं और जो भी opposites बताया है वो आप अपनी इंग्लिश की फेयर नोटबुक में लिखेंगे. Fine. So what is your homework is? Learn and write compound words and opposites in English fair notebook and complete exercise number 1, 2 and 3. We haven't done fourth exercise. Fourth exercise हम अगले lecture में करेंगे. The people and their job that we will be doing in the next lecture. Fine. So this is for today. Thank you.